So Acer just dropped their new Aspire AI laptop now. Let me tell you, this thing might actually change how you work and create. First off, the design. It's thin, lightweight, and has that clean Aspire look. Perfect if you're a student, a creator, or just want something that's easy to carry around. The build feels solid, no cheap plastic vibes here. Display and performance. The display is bright, sharp, and great for editing or just Netflix binging. But here's where it gets interesting: the AI integration. This laptop uses built-in AI acceleration for things like photo editing, noise cancellation during calls, and even optimizing your battery life in the background. It's smooth, no lag, no stutter. Keyboard and trackpad. Typing feels really nice. The keys have a good travel distance, and the trackpad is super responsive. If you type a lot, you'll enjoy using this. Overall, the Acer Aspire AI laptop is a great pick if you want power, portability, and AI tools built right in without paying premium flagship prices. It's honestly one of the best value laptops out there right now. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.